Move over there.
And then you have to make
Yeah,
sure
get into the light.
you tell them why you're doing this.
Is it recording right now?
No, I haven't started it, I don't think.
Mine is.
Sure?
Yeah, I think you have to hit the red button.
You do. Because it'll show you a timer.
Oh, yep, there we go.
All right, go ahead, kiddo.
Okay, hold on. I don't know if we want him facing that way, because his face is right in the sun. He's got to do that to keep the sun out of his eyes.
Put your hands down.
I was elected by my cousin Ethan, and I accept his challenge.
What challenge?
Yeah, I bucket challenge.
For what?
ALS.
All right.
Ready?
Is it colder than you thought?
You're all good.
I need a towel.
I will get you one.
At least I didn't scream like a girl. For the challenges, I will do my dad and Papa.
No one else?
And my cousin here.
Anyone else?
That's it.
Okay.